Hi children, today we are talking about algebra. Many times, 2 or 3 times, we did many things. What is algebra? Variables, constants, variables, constant. That means in algebra, operation of variables also. Many times I told s plus 2. It is an algebraic expression. Here y minus 7 is an algebraic expression. S plus 2, what is s plus 2? You don't know. Suppose if x is equal to 3, we can say s plus 2, that means 3 plus 2, that is 5. Like it in the answer. So the value, we have to give the value. X is equal to how much? Here y is equal to, suppose y is how much y? Y is equal to 5. So y minus 7 is equal to 5 minus 7. That is equal to minus negative 2 negative 2. Operation of variable also. Variables also. X or Y or A, B, C, D like that. And the constant and their operation. Constants, variable and their operation sign. 7y, it is an algebraic expression. 7 into y. Constant is the and y is the variable and into is the operation sign. I think there is no confusion what is algebra, what is algebraic expression. Operation of variables also. Now in class 9 you can see polynomials. What is polynomials? Algebraic expression. Special kinds of algebraic expression. Suppose px polynomial on x, I can say 2x to the power of 3 minus 7. It's a polynomial. It's an algebraic expression. Or another one, py is equal to y or y square plus 10. It is a polynomial of y. It's a polynomial. Here the variables and power of the variable must be whole number. We studied 7 root x plus 5. No, it is not a polynomial because power of the variable is not a whole number. It is square root, means half, s to the power of half. So what is polynomial? Algebraic expression or special kinds of algebraic expression or all algebraic expression. Exponents of the variable is whole numbers. Maybe 0 doesn't matter. That is why in class 9 we studied 12 is a polynomial. 12 into s to the power of 0, degree 0. Because 12 into s to the power of 0 means 1. Any number that is 12 is a polynomial. Constant, it is a polynomial. We can make it power is 0. Power is 0. So now up to 8 we studied variables and operation. Now we can make 12. 12 into y to the power of 0. That is 12. So here you can see the operation is there and the variable is there. Any number to the power of 0 means 1. That is why this is a constant. Okay. Now listen here. Algebraic expression. I told you we have to get the value of the variable. I had to tell you, then you can find it. Another one. What is 0 of a polynomial? All of you please write this one. Today I want to discuss polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. 0 of polynomials. Then equation. 0 of polynomials. Equation, then solution. Please understand the difference. 0 of a polynomial and solution are the same. Solution of an equation. 0 of a polynomial. So please write this one. What is 0 of a polynomial? Polynomial we can write many polynomial. What do you mean by 0 of a polynomial? What is 0 of a polynomial? That means, suppose a polynomial is there. The value of the variable which make that polynomial 0, that is 0 of the polynomial. Find the 0 of a polynomial. Now listen here. Listen. I told you polynomial. Now 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. Please listen here. 0 of a polynomial. What do you mean by 0 of a polynomial? Px, suppose the polynomial x px, that is equal to s plus 7. It is not an equation we cannot solve. If we are given x is equal to what, then I can tell you what is s plus 7. But I want find the 0 of this polynomial. So what to do? The value of the variable which make this answer is 0. Simple. Put equal to 0 because we need 0 of a polynomial. What value we had to give for x? The algebraic expression must be 0. Put 0. Then it is very clear x is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7, 0. So x is equal to minus 7 is the 0 of the polynomial. Now find the 0 of the polynomial I'm talking about. Second one. Suppose phi minus y. Phi minus y. That is py. Polynomial py, phi minus y. We had to find out the 0 of the polynomial. What to do? Okay, fine. We can write phi minus y is equal to 0. So this y we can bring here. Y is equal to, that is phi. Phi minus phi is 0. So y is equal to phi. Here we are using the word transposing. We know that transposing. Many times we explain transposing and double transposing. Find the 0. Now third question. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Pm, that is equal. In the 0 of the polynomial, you are talking about 0. Find the 0 polynomial. That is our question. Find the zero of the polynomial. Suppose 3x minus 2, that is equal to 90. This is not a polynomial, it is an equation. So suppose the question is, tell me a polynomial. Three x, that is equal to 3x minus 5. So what is zero of the polynomial? So we had to write this must be 0. This is equal to 0. So we got 3x is equal to 5. Like an equation. X is equal to 5 by 3. This is the zero of the polynomial. I think you understood the concept. X is equal to 5 by 3. Now in S21, I wrote the equation. Equation. What is equation? We studied equation. What is equation? I am talking about linear equation in one variable equation, starting on equation. S plus 10, it is not an equation. We cannot solve this one. It is a polynomial for algebraic expression. We can find the zero of this polynomial. But if it is equation equal to S plus 10 is equal to, suppose it is 7. What is x is equal to? Yes, x is equal to 7 minus 10. That means negative 3. Negative 3 plus 10, we can check that is 7, it is correct. Checking that we did before. Negative 3. Many things we can do, many questions we can look at equation. I'm talking about equation in expression with equal sign. Algebraic expression with equal sign. Now, second one. Look here. 25 minus y, that is equal to 9. So what is the solution of the equation? Solution of the equation. Not 0, we can find out the solution. What do you mean by solution of equation? Value of the variable will satisfy the equation. You have to get the value of the variable which is satisfying the equation. LHS equal to RHS. Don't confuse LHS equal to RHS. Here LHS equal to RHS. 25 minus 9. No, minus 1. What I am doing, I am double transposing this. I am doing this y this side. Minus y will be plus y. And because negative y, positive y. I want y. So here 9, that means sign is plus, positive. So bring LHS this. There already 25 is the 25 minus 9 is the y. That means we are getting y is equal to 25 minus 9. That means 16. We got the answer y is equal to 16. This This is the solution of the equation. We are getting the solution of the equation. So you understood 0 of the polynomial, but now I am talking about the solution of the equation. We can do plus is the minus is the whatever plus. For that we did many questions before. You can check 25 minus 16, that it is 9. We are given the value and that is equal to R. But here one transpose, here it is minus 9, minus 9. Here 9, 9, 9 is coming minus. Transposing means sending one term from one side of an equation to another side by changing the sign. That is transpose. Correct? Now look here another example. Many examples are. Look here. Suppose whenever 2m minus 11 that is equal to 41. How can you solve this one? Your constant is there, then operation minus, subtraction, and into two operations are. We can do 2m is equal to, this is going that side. We go transposing. Minus 11 transposing. Minus 11 will go to this side. It will be 41 is already there. Then this is 11. 41 plus 11. That means 52. 2m is equal to 52. So m is equal to 52 by 2. Multiplication divide. That means 26. This is the answer. So what I am telling equation